Good morning, students. Let us start with the square root of fractions. Children, to find out the square root of fractions, we have to find the square root of fractions individually. Suppose x upon y is a fraction and we have to find the square root of this x upon y. So we will do the square root of x individually and square root of y individual. Okay, means we have to do the square root of fractions individually. Okay, now let us see the sixth question. If 1 plus 27 upon 169 and it is in under root is equals to 1 upon x upon 13, that you have to find out the value of x. Suppose, so we will take the LCM. ये स्क्वायर रूट में है क्वेश्चन, सो ये इस 1 is a whole number. So if we write 1 in the denominator, then we will take the LCM of 169 and 1 will be 169. Then 169 to if we divide 1 from 1, it will be 169, and if we multiply it by 1, it will be 169 plus divided by 169 1, and 1 into 27 is 27, and this will be remain same, and we will take the LCM of this also. So LCM of 1 and 13 again will be 13, and here it is 1. So 1 13s are 13, 13 ones are 13 plus x. Now 169 plus 27 is 196 upon 169, and here it is 13 plus x upon 13. Now you can see I have done it individually. Square root of 196 अलग करा है and square root of 169 we have written different. So you remember what is the square root of 196? Children, I have sent you the square roots till 30. You have to learn at least till 20. You have to learn, because बार बार आप इसके प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन और डिवीजन मेथड से तो सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. So till 20 you have to learn. Okay. So 196 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है चिल्ड्रन 14, एंड 169 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है 13. So 13 plus x upon 13, it will remain same. Then to find out the value of x, what we will do, we will cross multiply. Okay, then 14 into 13, then 13 plus x into 13. So this 13 is in multiplication outside the bracket. Okay, so 13 into 14, this is in multiplication, so it will come here in division. If we bring here, it will come in division. So this 13 will be cancelled from this 13. What is left, children? 14 equals to 13 plus x. So 13 will become here, and we can find out the value of x, that is 1. Clear? Now let us see seventh question. Find the square root of this mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में आपको given है questions and you have to find out the square root. So how we will find out the square root of mixed fraction? First of all, we will change it into improper fraction. Okay, whole 13 upon 36 will be 121 upon 36 after converting into improper. Okay, then same we have to find out the square root. So 121 का square root we will find out individually, and 36 का डिफरेंट अलग से फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो 121 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है? 11. यू ऑल नो दिस. सो 11 into 11 121 होते हैं. सो दिस इज इन स्क्वायर रूट, एंड वी विल टेक 1 आउट ऑफ पेयर. सो इट विल बी 11 upon 6, and after converting it into mixed fraction, because this is an improper fraction and we have our question also in mixed fraction, so we will convert it into improper fraction. That will be 1 whole 5 upon 6. Clear, children? Now see the 8th question. Find the value of. Okay, two parts are there. See the second part, children. 1183 upon 2023. Again we have to do the square root of 1183 and 2023 individually. Okay, so we will take out the factors of 1183 because we don't know. So by prime factorization also you can do, and by division method also you can do. Okay, so 13 and 7, these are the factors of 1183, and 2023 के factors हैं children 7, 17 and 17. So we have written here 13 into 13 into 7, 17 into 17 into 7. So this 7 will be cancelled from this 7, and this is in square root. So it will be 13 into 13, 17 into 7. No need to do the multiplication. You can simply write the answer directly. 13 into 13 is, after taking common, means 1 from one pair, it will be 13 upon 17. So 13 upon 17 is a answer, means square root of these numbers. Okay. Now see the ninth question. Find the value of under root 15,625 and hence evaluate this. Okay. So now let's see children. We have to find out the value of this. Okay. इसकी वैल्यू भी फाइंड आउट करनी है हमको एंड इसको भी इवेल्युएट करना है. मीन्स इसका पहले स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल पुट दैट वैल्यू इन दीज नंबर्स. सो लेट अस सी हाउ वी हैव डन. So 15,625 का children, first of all we will take out the square root from division method. Same process we have done. Okay, after doing the division method we have got 125. 125 is the square root of this number. Okay, but we have to children evaluate this number. This is in decimal, isn't it? So how we will remove the decimal? By removing, we have written 100 in the denominator. This you all know, means decimal के बाद 2 digits हैं. So we will write 2 zeros, means 100 in the denominator, and in this there are 4 digits. So we have written 10,000, means 4 zeros in the denominator, and this all in square root. Okay. So now we can easily write down the value of 15,625. Clear children? Because we have find out the square root of this number. So it is 125 and the square root of 100 is 10, because 10 tens are 100 होते हैं. Okay. So and same here we have done. इसका square root हमने 125 we have written, and 10,000 का square root होता है children 100, because 100 की multiply 100 से करेंगे तो it will come 10,000. So then we have put decimal. 125 upon 10 will be 12.5, because 1 0 है. So we will insert 1 0 from right hand side, and there are 2 zeros, so we will insert 2 zeros before 2.25. So 12.5 plus 1.25 will be 13.75. So our answer is, value of this is 125, and after evaluating this we have got 13.75. Clear? Now see the 10th question. Evaluate under root 99 into 396. Let us see if we have to evaluate the numbers that are in multiplication. So children, we will do the square root of both of them. Okay, because ये different हैं square root, तो हम दोनों का square root एक साथ करके इनके factors निकालेंगे. See how I have done. 99 के factors we will find out. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, then again 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 11. Then again of 396 we have taken out the factors. So factors of 33 are 3 into 3 into 11, and factors of 396 are 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 11. Clear? Now this 3 into 3 we now we will make the pairs, because we have to find out the value. Okay, so 3 into 3 का 1 पेयर बन जाएगा, and 3 into 3 का second पेयर बन जाएगा, and this 2 into 2 का थर्ड पेयर बन जाएगा, and this 11 into 11 का चिल्ड्रन फोर्थ पेयर बन जाएगा. ऑल राइट. So 3 into we will take one common factor among these. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 11 will be 98. Now no need to put square root, because square root हमारा सिर्फ स्क्वायर तक ही रहता है. जब हमने फर्स्ट इनकी कॉमन वैल्यू ले ली है, then we will not put the square root. Then the value is 198. Now see the 11th question children. In this you have to evaluate, means you have to find the value of these questions. In first question hint is given to you 0.289 upon 0.00121. So इसको हम अंडर रूट फाइंड आउट करके कैलकुलेट करके it will become like this. How it will become? You can see इसके आगे 3 digits हैं and इसके आगे 5 डिजिट्स हैं. डेसिमल के आगे इसमें 5 डिजिट्स हैं, इसमें 3. तो जब हम डेसिमल रिमूव करते हैं चिल्ड्रन, सो डिनोमिनेटर में 3 डिजिट्स लगा लेते हैं, एंड जब इसका डेसिमल रिमूव करेंगे सो वी विल पुट हियर 5 zeros. ओके, सो देन 3 zeros विल बी कैंसिल फ्रॉम 3 zeros. देन व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? 28900 अपॉन 121, एंड दिस इज इन स्क्वायर रूट. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस वन, एंड 121 का 11 होता है, 289 का 17 होता है, एंड दिस 100 is also there, so it will be 10. Okay, so now you can see the last question. I am telling you, this is in square root, means 10 का स्क्वायर रूट है प्लस 25 का स्क्वायर रूट है, अदर देन 108 भी स्क्वायर रूट में है, 154 प्लस 225. So it is very easy and interesting also, children. You will enjoy to do these questions. पहले हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 225, मीन्स सबसे लास्ट से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो 225 का स्क्वायर रूट विल बी 15. Okay, I am telling again and again that please learn the square roots, children, at least till 20. Okay, so 15 का 15 होगा, फिर you have to do this step by step. Okay, step by step करना है आपको. Then 154 plus, because there is a sign of plus, तो इसका अंडर रूट तो हट गया, बट ये भी इस अंडर रूट में है, तो 15 में इसको प्लस करेंगे तो इट विल बी 169, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो इन अगेन स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, सो 169 का स्क्वायर रूट चिल्ड्रन होता है 13. सो 13 फिर इसके 108 के प्लस में है, देन इसको हम प्लस करेंगे, 108 प्लस 13 वी विल गेट 121. ओके, फिर ये भी सब इसके एडिशन में है, अगेन 25 को इससे प्लस करेंगे, पहले इसका अंडर रूट निकालेंगे. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 121 इज 11. सो 25 प्लस 11 विल बी 36. सो ये भी फिर अंडर रूट में, फिर 36 का स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे, दैट विल बी 6. देन 10 प्लस 6 विल बी 16. 16 का स्क्वायर रूट वी विल फाइंड आउट, इट विल बी 4. So children, after calculating all these square roots, we have answer is 4. Okay, so simple answer we have got 4 after doing so much calculation. Is it interesting? Okay, let us move to next question. Now see the last question, children. 3/5 of the square of a certain number is 126.15. You have to find the number. Okay, let us see. 3/5 means let the number be x. Okay, we have to find out the number, so let the number be x we have assumed, and the square of that number will be x square, because they have in the question they have asked the square of a certain number. So 3/5 of the square of a certain number means square of x is 126.15. so 3x square upon 5 equals to 126.15. then what we will do, cross multiply. so 5 is in division, equals to के इधर वो जाएगा तो it will become in multiplication. so 126.15 into 5 and 3 इसके अपॉन में आ जाएगा. so after calculating ये इससे कैंसिल हो जाएगा और इसकी इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, so we will got 210.25. means x square हमारा आया है 210.25, but we have to find out the value of x because x is that number. so children, now we will calculate the, what is this, square root of 210.25 with division method. Clear? Now after calculating the square root of this number by division method, we have got 14.5 as the square root. Alright, so 210.25 का square root will be 14.5. Clear children? Now you have to do complete exercise this 3D in your fair copy, and if you have any query in any question you can ask me. Alright.